Well, shine on me. Won't you shine on me, harvest moon? Well, I've got my bags all packed, my ghosts are tied up in my sack, and I'm leaving here by the light of you. Well, I was born to lose. Nothing has really ever changed, and now winter's moving in, and my pockets are wearing thin. Lately, my true love's been acting kinda strange. I never had a job worth keeping. No, I never had a dime to spare. You know that old trouble's been creeping up on my back stair, and I always feel lonely, even in the best of company. These old blues keep on haunting me. Well, I guess I'll keep moving on. So shine your light as I walk on down the line. Well, I know there ain't much you can do, but just look on me as I pass through and help me keep track of the time. I should have known this was coming. I could see the leaves start to turn brown, and every time the seasons change, I get an itching in my brain, and I pick up all the plans that I laid down. I never had a job worth keeping. No, I never had a dime to spare. You know that old trouble's been creeping up on my back stair, and I always feel lonely, even in the best of company. These old blues keep on haunting me. I guess I'll keep moving on. You look like you're smiling about something. If you got a secret, won't you let me in? Been walking along with a troubled mind, feeling a little far behind, but I don't blame you, that old rain and the wind. Won't you lift me up, give me a drink from your loving cup, and when my feet touch the ground, I'll listen for that highway sound. I don't think I'll ever get enough. I never had a job worth keeping. No, I never had a dime to spare. You know that old trouble's been creeping up on my back stair, and I always feel lonely, even in the best of company. These old blues keep on haunting me. Well, I guess I'll keep moving on.